Yo, what is going on, guys? In this video today, I'm going to be showing you the best Rocket League codes in 2026. I spent a long time searching on YouTube, watching other videos, and also searching websites on Google. And I finally managed to find some Rocket League redeem codes that you're definitely going to love. You can get tons of free credits, free cars, and exotic items. And these are working right now in 2026. Before I show you these Rocket League codes, do make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm always creating updated videos to show you the latest and greatest Rocket League codes. So let's get into it, guys. As you can see, I'm using a mobile phone internet browser. So I do recommend you grab your mobile and use that. And you've got to go to www.coldcoupons.com. So type cold coupons like this. And what it's going to do is going to bring you to this game code website here. And they have loads of pages, guys, for tons of different games. So you need to find the Rocket League codes page. So I am just going to use the search bar to navigate to it. This is the codes available. There are 5 verified working redeem codes. Thousands of people have used these, so these are super popular. So scroll down. As I mentioned, you can get specific cars. You can unlock exotic items, so every single exotic item. You can get all cars, and you can get 25,000 free credits. So I'm just going to select this one for this example. I've already done this, so I won't be able to do it again because these are limited codes. But what you need to do is click on this button. It's going to look for some valid Rocket League codes and allocate you one. So you can see this says this code is valid, and it's going to show you a preview here of your code. You need to unlock your code. That basically stops people taking more than one of these limited number of codes, because these are pretty desirable considering what they give you. So it's well worth unlocking it. So click on this button. And you just got to follow the instructions on the screen here to go ahead and get your Rocket League code. So as you can see, it says complete 2 of the free offers below to unlock your code from Cold Coupons, and follow the instructions below each app. This verifies you're not a robot. So as you can tell, guys, you just got to select any 2 tasks on this page. They're completely free. And these are really easy things like mobile survey applications, games and stuff, guys. So as an example, this one is a mobile, this one is a survey where it says enter your email and complete the steps. So you would tap on it and you just answer some questions, and you just have to input your valid email address, and that one will be complete. So that verifies you as a real person. There's also like mobile apps and games. So just follow the instructions, complete 2 of those, and it will basically send you back to Cold Coupons, and your Rocket League code will be fully revealed in this box. So the full code will be shown here and be unlocked, and you can grab it, redeem it in game, and that is going to give you 25,000 free credits in Rocket League. So go to Cold Coupons. This page has the best Rocket League codes, so make sure you search for it. Hope you enjoyed, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video.